Welcome back to another banger video! Oh god! So, it's the boy, Yahir! Oh my god! This one. No, I'm not gonna be able to prop my phone back up. He's over here. He just doesn't want to be in the frame. We got you here. Yeah. There he is. I got my little coquita. I'll be rating Raising Canes. Raising Canes for the first time. For the first time, I got the Caniac combo, no slaw, extra fries. I don't know, he ordered it for me, not this one, that one.
Yeah, we know, don't order it for him, because we didn't know about the food.
Yeah, that's my first time here. Are the fries? Fries. Pretty basic looking.
They're just fries, bro. What do you expect? Like fucking.
Why is it bread?
Okay.
Is that garlic on it?
Butter.
Make sure to try this waiter.
What is that?
It's special cane sauce.
It's their cane sauce. I'm not a big fan.
I hear so much about it.
Trying to go up and home.
I eat it. I just don't.
Trying to walk home, huh?
6 states over.
Look at way.
Ooh, that shit tastes nasty.
We'll put a fucking pollo in there. Well, that's how I was too. Don't be hating on me.
You gotta get used to it, bro.
You know?
Does it have ranch in there or what?
I don't know what the fuck to put on it.
It's ketchup, bro.
It's I don't know, it's reminding me a lot like ranch, but I don't like ranch.
Not right.
But then there's like mayonnaise, I don't know. I like the beginning, but then there's an aftertaste I don't like. Nah, this fool made his own sauce and slipped it in. So, French fries, 5 out of 10. Chicken. Ow!
I fucking put my seat up in accident, bro. I thought we were gonna leave.
Dumbass.
My fault, bro.
The white people. It's hitting them.
Chicken. A ver. Oh no, that was too hot. I couldn't even taste it. I tasted fire, bro. It was hot.
Like when you were toasting your pizza rolls in the beginning?
Shut up.
In the morning?
No, dude, I burned my tongue with those.
Pussy.
The chicken tastes like chicken. I don't know what to say.
Because it's chicken.
Yeah. It's alright.
It's a 5-star meal there.
Not a 5-star man.
That's Panda Express right there.
Oh,
Right?
no.
How about you get that instead?
Yeah. You want my food?
Get the fuck over and go get it.
Come back, you're gone.
There's Burger King right behind us, bro. How about you get that instead?
Yeah,
I've only ever had Panda Express at school.
You didn't even get a lot.
I know. It's alright. I don't know. It's just weird.
What?
The sauce.
Oh.
Like, I don't want to eat it no more, but like, I keep going in for more.
You don't want to eat anymore, but like, you have to cook that food right home. Man.
Podcast coming out pretty soon. Their burger.
You end the line with their burger.
Oh, my sausage. His meat.
Dick review on the
What
podcast.
is he?
Fucking tuna candy.
I'll put a picture right here. That one. And then we're missing somebody else. He's the sky.
We're going to have to give them a
I got extra bread.
Fuck the coleslaw. Coleslaw's disgusting, way. The texture is so disgusting too, and it's cold too.
Dude, what do you think about those coleslaw fans that are watching their hands?
Fuck you! And to all my coleslaw fans, I hope you're offended. Catch me on Instagram, TikTok,
Stop promoting.
OnlyFans.
OnlyFans, find her.
What? Did you
Not family friendly.
I'm blazing.
Your naked lady would be disappointed in you.
Fuck Naked 30. Naked 30, when we doing a twerk off?
What?
What hell looks fine as shit.
You look gay as fuck, man.
Fuck you.
My little bracelet.
Bracelet? You mean necklace?
Your bisexual necklace that's
It's not bi. So everybody watching, this is not bisexual. It just happens to be my favorite colors. Blue and purple.
You put
Alright. This is editor me in the future. I watched this like 5 times and it showed somebody else like this clip as well. I can't figure out what he said, bro. I'm sorry. I tried. I'm gonna just leave it as is. I do not care, bro. Back to the video. My fault.
fucking flag right there. Regular.
Oh yeah. My drink. I'm probably not gonna finish. It's just bigger than me.
Why are you so weird, bro? The fuck?
Catch us on the podcast. Oh, link in the description.
Not even gonna be Ali.
It's not out yet. What is this?
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
I'm not eating this. Food dropped in.
What, dude? Hey, yo, what the fuck? The bottle way up.
I'm not. Look at this shit. I'm eating this shit off camera, right?
Feed it way up.
No. Almost down, bro. Couldn't yours sound so fucking crunchy?
I'm black.
Got that You got that ASMR session.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna save this code. I'm not trying to waste money. I'm trying to buy all the incredible skin lady tonight.
Oh, bro, I'm just getting elastic away.
Yeah, but why don't you just get Elastica?
You offer ketchup now, eh?
You have one ketchup?
No.
They didn't offer
Bro,
you?
you're cashier, bro. You look like you want to fucking get himself on it.
Then you eat some ketchup?
No.
Want some?
No. No way.
Wait, chicken is.
No way.
Dang it. This is just us, man. We're watching a me, bro.
You like the viewer.
Not that I'm so hungry because I'm not really there, but like, hurry the fuck up!
I'm talking to you, the viewer.
Bro, shut the fuck up, bro. Give me
Trying
some
to break the fourth wall. Wait.
Hit the like
Bro,
button.
shut the fuck up and get your
Follow. Subscribe. Hit that like button. You always got.
Oh,
Get the fuck out of the way. There you go, man. Let's go.
What the fuck was that?
What is that?
Did he kick something? No, yeah, I think it was
I didn't even. What the fuck is that?
It's the base, he kicked the wire down there. What the hell?
Oh, it's the
Oh, man. 10 minutes later, he just kicked that shit again. We're back. We're back in business. We got you here. Give him a little kiss, sign it off.
No, I'm good.
He usually gives me kisses on the lips, but.
No, you usually give me
Alright.
blowjobs.
That's my gym. Oh, it's EOS Fitness.
That's what I said.
Fitness, dick in your mouth.